नमस्कार, मैं मोविन नासरेत और स्वागत का हमारे चैनल मावले स्क्वायर मीडिया में। मैं हूँ मुंबई के वली क्षेत्र में और आज हम आए हैं जापान मत्सुरी का साक्षी लेने के लिए। जापान मत्सुरी एक ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर है जापानीज लोगों का और यहाँ पर हम इनका जो परंपरा है, पारंपरिक खेल है, संगीत है, नृत्य है, आज हम इनका साक्षी बनेंगे और किस तरह से जापानीज अपने कल्चर को इंडिया में लेके आ रहे हैं, इंडियन कल्चर वो एक्सेप्ट करने जाएंगे। तो आज इस इवेंट के माध्यम से आज हम जानेंगे।
Hello, this is Nitori from Japan. We are selling home decor item. Yes, especially this ceramic product is made in Japan and very light features and unbreakable. So please, now we are going the bundle sale also. So please come our store.
Hello, this is a Super Bowl scooping game. You will use this scoop. This is called foil, and this is made from the paper. The rule is easy. Just scoop, and if it's there, it's finished. Welcome Mint Store में आपका स्वागत है. नमस्ते. We have different kinds of products like curry, which you can use for curry rice. We have inari that can be used for inari sushi. Udon, this is thick and chewy noodles. This is quite popular in Japan. And this is of course nori sheet that is used for sushi, which is quite famous in India. So you can try our products on our website www.maindish.in.
तो ये है काकी गोरी और ये माचा फ्लेवर में ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, देखते कैसा है। थोड़ा खट्टा है, मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी ट्राई करता हूँ। ये जापानीज गोला हम कह सकते हैं। Hi, my name is Rinchen. I am partner of EIJ Consulting Private Limited as an importer in India, as a importer and distributor. So today we are showcasing the product called Yuzu. It is from Tokushima. It's authentic and very good quality. So this product is very good in quality to try. So you must try to our booth and try fresh Yuzu. It's amazing, and this is our great team. So our product Yuzu is the best quality, which is different from other Yuzu. Once you have this product, you will feel freshness and you will get lots of energy and refreshing. This is the product called udon. This is from Japanese prefecture called Kagoshima. So this udon is very good quality and the best. So now we'll tell you the steps of cooking udon noodles. So now chef is cooking the udon and he's putting the cooked udon noodles. And then next is the broth. Next is the broth. So this is veg broth, veg dashi, pure veg. So this is very umami, amazing flavor. So once you have, you will reach Japan. And then we have a different garnishings. We are putting leeks. We have wakame, it's a seaweed. Then this is tenkatsu, it's called tenkatsu, deep fried batter. And then we have a spice, like it is called 7 spice, shichimi, 7 spice. And then we have a yuzu kosho, it's a citrus with green chili. It's a made in Japan, authentic. Yeah. So this is udon, perfectly made, and please try. Udon is very healthy, like, so it's because this is made in Japan. So the quality is always 100%, no doubt at all. So it's very healthy. You will not feel like so much bloated, and once you try, you will feel like to have more and more and more. So that's the quality of this product. Please try. सो ये है उदोंग नूडल्स फ्रॉम कागोशिमा, जापान का बहुत ही प्रचलित ये नूडल्स है। हम देखते हैं कि नूडल्स में बहुत सारे ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं जो हमारे हेल्थ और स्वास्थ्य के लिए काफ़ी हानिकारक होते हैं, परंतु यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स इसके अंदर है वो सब बॉइल्ड है और आपको डाइजेशन का भी इश्यू नहीं होगा, और एक फास्ट फूड भी है और काफ़ी हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत ही ये लाभदायक है। तो मैं ज़रूर तमाम जो दर्शक है उनको कहना चाहूँगा कि वो यहाँ पर आइए, सर से मिलिए। Okay, so if you want to try udon noodle, please come to Mirai. It's in Mirai, Bandra West. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम प्रेम है।
और ये जो क्या बना रहे हो?
ये हम लोग याकीतोरी बोलते हैं इसको, जापानीज में याकीतोरी बोलते हैं, और वैसे तो ग्रिल चिकन बोलते हैं हिंदी में।
ये क्या अलग है? क्या बता सकते हो?
स्पेशलिटी इसका ये है कि एक हमारा जो हम सॉस यूज़ करते हैं वो ऑथेंटिक जापानीज है, जिसको याकीतोरी सॉस बोलते हैं, और प्लस ये चिकन थाइस क्यूबर्स है, जो कि इसका जो फ्लेवर है वो एक तो चारकोल ग्रिल है, तो हम ग्रिल करके मोस्टली हम लोग कस्टमर को देते हैं ताकि जो चारकोल का फ्लेवर आता है और जो ग्रिल जो होता है वो ऑथेंटिक, ना इसमें ऑयल है ना कुछ है इसके अंदर, और जो फ्लेवर है वो एक ऑथेंटिक देता है।
This is karaage, Japanese fried chicken, traditional.
And so what makes karaage unique from other chicken products?
This is marinade with ginger, garlic, soya sauce, mixing, and we are keep more than 30 minutes.
Konnichiwa, this is Menka Rai San, and I am Miss Sake India 2024, and here I'm going to tell about onigiri. So we have Kuraku, our restaurant, and we are having Japanese veg ramen, non-veg ramen, and we have a lot of dishes including the onigiri. So onigiri is basically easy to eat, grab and eat. It's available in convenience stores also in Japan. It's very convenient to eat for people. So onigiri is basically made up of sticky rice, which is very famous in Japan. So Japanese have sticky rice. So it's kind of rice ball. If you have seen in Shin-chan, so Shin-chan always used to eat rice balls, which is basically onigiri. So we have different kinds of onigiri in Japan. There are prawn onigiri, there is plum onigiri, seaweed onigiri, different kinds of onigiri. Red beans onigiri is my favorite onigiri, but here we have salt rice onigiri, and also we have a seaweed onigiri that tastes very homely, especially for Japanese people. So it's easy to grab breakfast. So our restaurant Kuraku is in Palladium and Lower Parel, and you can anytime come and enjoy. Thank you so much. This is seaweed onigiri. So this is basically this seaweed. So seaweed comes. It's a herb, and it comes from sea. And we Japanese people say that it's very good for stomach and digestion and skin as well. That's why a lot of people in Japan, they eat a lot of seaweed. So this is a seaweed onigiri, and I'm gonna eat it right now. Itadakimasu. It's good. ये कौन सी फीलिंग है? We have some stuffing inside. This is negi mishu, and it's a little salty. In Hindi we say sondha sa taste आता है. That is coming, and it's very tasty for me. I'm a Japanese food lover. So here is my veg ramen from Kuraku, and our restaurant in Mumbai is in Bandra West. You can anytime come and eat it.